I'm going to be sharing with you my fall-inspired, warm and cozy shower routine. Okay, so first up we have this pumpkin spice latte body scrub. It is literally so good and it smells exactly like pumpkin spice. One thing that I will say is that it is a sugar scrub, so it definitely leaves your skin nice and smooth, and it suds up just a little, but I always like to exfoliate until all of the beads are dissolved. Then I'm going to go in and shave my legs. This is of course optional because it is fall, so if you're wearing sweats then that's for you, but I like to keep my legs nice and smooth and shaved. It's been a couple of days here, so it's about that time. So the next thing I'm going to do is wash my face. This is technically not fall inspired, but the color theme still fits. And I absolutely love this Peach and Lily gel cleanser. It is literally one of my favorite cleansers. If you haven't tried the Peach and Lily line, I highly recommend it. It's nice, it's soft. The founder actually had eczema, so that's why she created the line. So it's super moisturizing as well. And next we're gonna go in with this Nude Sugar body wash. This body wash is so warm, it's so cozy, and it smells great. And even the color of the shower gel is literally like a warm and cozy color. It's like brown. So I like to set up with this one, wash off, and literally smells so good. You can also use this year round, which I've been doing, but it's literally perfect for the fall. So the next thing that we're going to be doing after I'm rinsing off all this goody smelling things is apply this Argan body butter by The Body Shop. Now, they have a pumpkin spice flavor, or scent rather, but I wanted this one because it kind of just fits, and I also didn't want to be smelling like a latte. The next one is this body oil by OSEA. This is literally one of my favorite body oils. I like to layer up my oil and my body butters just for extra moisture and for shine as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to the rest of my body. Getting those hands, my body feels literally so soft. Next we have this pumpkin enzyme mask by Peter Thomas Roth. This is one of my favorite masks. I've been using this for a few years, but it fits the theme. Next up we have this scented soy blend candle pumpkin spice scent by Ulta Beauty. Now if you haven't tried Ulta Beauty's candles, you're definitely asleep. They're literally so good, and I have pancakes because it is literally such a warm and cozy meal, and I'm going to enjoy this fake fireplace.